Hello everyone, welcome to Academy of Civil Services. We are launching an exclusive UPSC Prelim Test Series 2023. This test series will provide you 10 full tests which include GS subject-wise test, 2 GS full test, 2 CSAT full test. Last 2-year current affair will be combined together into one current affair full test. Total there will be 10 tests. Along with this, we are also ready to assist you to learn some tricks and the tips for solving questions in the prelims exam. For that, we are launching the tips and tricks session along with this course. By attending this course, that will help you for solving certain question where you do not have a knowledge or a lack of knowledge or a half knowledge. By following these techniques, you can solve those questions with a strategic guess. That means the number of questions that you are getting correct will be improved. Then you can score 100 plus in the UPSC prelim. If you want to qualify the prelims with 100 plus mark, then you please join our test series. To get the details about the course, we are sharing you the link below. You can go through the link and you will get the schedule and details. And you can join for the course. The fee for the course is just 999 and please join now. Thank you.